In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Copilot Notebook, Microsoft 365 Copilot Notebooks. A Copilot Notebook is an AI-powered workspace in Microsoft 365 that brings your documents, chats, notes, and other files together, so Copilot can analyze, summarize, and draft content based on what you include. Think of it as a focused research hub where your files provide the context and Copilot provides the intelligence. First, head to https://www.microsoft365.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Copilot Notebooks requires an active Microsoft 365 Copilot license, along with access to SharePoint or OneDrive storage, since your files will live there. If you're part of an organization, make sure your account has those services enabled before you continue. Once you're in, look at the left navigation pane for Notebooks or Copilot Notebooks. Click it to open the area. If this is your very first notebook, you'll see an option to create your first one. If you've used notebooks before, choose New Notebook or create Copilot Notebook to start a fresh workspace. Next, give your notebook a clear, descriptive name. Something like Product Launch Research or Q3 Planning Notes works well. A meaningful title makes it easier to identify later and helps keep your work organized as your list grows. Now add references. References are the files and content Copilot will use to ground its answers and generate insights. You can search by typing a file name and selecting it. Browse your OneDrive to add Word documents, PDFs, PowerPoint decks, Excel spreadsheets, and more, or accept suggestions that Copilot surfaces based on relevance. Supported file types include KX, PTX, and OneNote pages, among others. Aim to include only what's relevant to the task so Copilot focuses on the right material. If the files live in different folders, that's fine. Just make sure you add each one you want considered. When you're satisfied with your references, click Create. Copilot will set up the notebook and index the materials you provided. This preparation helps it give you grounded and consistent answers tied to your content. With the notebook ready, start asking questions in natural language. Try prompts like, summarize key points from the documents in this notebook, or draft a project plan based on these materials. Because the notebook constrains context, Copilot's responses stay focused on what you added. If you need more detail, ask follow-ups or refine your prompt. You can also adjust which references are included to sharpen the output over time. That's it. You've created a Copilot notebook, added the right context, and started putting Copilot to work on your content.